Hi, my name is Michael Marchetti, and today I will be discussing databases. So what is a database? A database is a set of files with organized and sorted data. Data can be organized in rows, schemas, groups, columns, and any other organizing fashion. Databases are accessed by database management systems, more commonly referred to as DBMSs. Designed for specific DBMSs and are typically not cross-compatible. And almost all businesses use databases in one way or another. So first, let's discuss database management systems. Database management systems are how one accesses a database. They're used to modify data, access data, analyze data, share data, and more. The most popular DMSs include Excel, SAP, Oracle, and SQL. Excel is the most popular database management system. It's extremely simple to use, and chances are you've used it many times. Excel is more suitable for a personal used by a student or individual and is not suitable for large-scale applications. It's focused on personal and very light business use. SAP, on the other hand, is focused on enterprise data management. SAP is the world's third largest software company and offers database management solutions, enterprise resource solutions, and more. Some of the world's largest companies use SAP to manage their databases and manage their data. Adidas, Dell, the San Francisco 49ers, and more all use SAP products. SAP was founded and built in Germany and has offices in many countries worldwide. Oracle is the second leading commercial DBMS. They are also one of the largest software companies in the world, and they offer enterprise resource programs, human resource software solutions, payroll solutions, and many other enterprise software solutions to businesses large and small. They are a main competitor of SAP, and the two have been competing for decades. SQL. It's not a database management system, but rather a programming language used for DBMSs. It's widely used in several popular DBMSs, including MySQL and Microsoft's SQL Server. So now let's discuss some important database vocabulary. Some important words to know are database engine, database server, and the database languages, including data manipulation language, query language, and data definition language. Engine helps read, delete, modify, and create data inside of a database. Applying software for making changes within a database. Besides the database engine, we have a database server. The database server is what stores files for a database. Database servers read their own language and do not read the language of other servers. This means that most DBMSs are not cross-compatible. For example, you can't use an SAP database and then go across to Oracle and read and modify that database with Oracle. the foundation of the database and sets guidelines for how the database is created and the relationships between different groups of data. There are several types of databases, first of which is a centralized database. This uses cloud computing and allows people in different physical locations to access the main database via the internet. Users do not need to store the database locally, and when changes are made, everyone on the database can see it. This is one of the most common databases and used by many large businesses with multiple locations and allows employees from all over the world and in all different departments to access and use their database. An operational database is often simpler than database and contains data about the operations of a business. It can be centralized or can be limited to one physical location. A database is often stored on a personal computer or on a work business computer. It is not centralized and is often used by only one person or one small department within a business. End user databases are designed for and meant for use by end users such as managers and individuals. They're focused on summarizing data instead of analyzing small changes like a business analytics worker may. Commercial databases are information and databases that outsiders use. People pay to access these commercial databases, and the data inside is often specialized and otherwise difficult. Some companies build their business around commercial databases and invest money into gathering large amounts of data and combining it into a database that others pay to access. A distributed database is a combination of local sources as well as a main central source. An example of this may be a restaurant franchise. It takes data from both a central main office as well as the franchises across the country, and then also combines the data from its individual location to help compare, contrast, and gather insight from that. So today, databases are an essential part of the business world. Almost every business uses a database in one way or another. And in the future, as artificial intelligence continues to develop, databases will be smarter and quicker, allowing businesses to make quicker decisions and maximize their profits. Businesses will continue to gather more data, making databases as well as data analytics more useful than ever. Thank you for listening.